to make. We are going to make sprinkled chocolate covered strawberries. And here are the things that we're going to need: strawberries, sticks, chocolate dip, and colored sprinkles. First step, wash and dry our strawberries. Second step, push the sticks into the strawberries.
Get your strawberry. No, the other way. This way.
No.
Look.
No.
Show it to Miss Cindy. Yan. Oh. Good job. Okay, put it here. And do the other ones. Look. Here, put that.
Red and the green. Red and green.
How many will you do out there?
4. Say, I'm doing 4.
I'm doing 4. I'm doing this here.
Good job. And here. And this one.
This one.
Good.
Ernie.
Third step, dip the strawberries into the chocolate dip.
You like?
Let's see if we can just dip it.
Okay,
Oops.
yeah, just dip it. Next one. Dip the strawberry. Alright. Oh my
Very,
god.
very.
Very sweet. Yeah. Sissy, you like green sprinkles?
Yeah, good job.
Mom.
And for the fourth step, sprinkle your strawberries with your colored sprinkles.
Green. These are green. Green. Emerald green.
Oh, nice.
How about we do this?
Mom.
Yes. Look, Kylie's doing it. Good job, Kylie. Nice. Lift it up a little bit. Good job.
Have fun eating and always have fun learning new things. And don't forget, be aware, be understanding, and be kind.